Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Hyundai i30, stock number 7234. It's ran from the 4th 2010 to the 4th 2012. Has a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, left front 15-up steel wheel tyre, left hand door mirror, front bonnet, left front door 5 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 15-up steel wheel tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-up steel wheel tyre, right rear door has wobbles, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 15-up steel wheel tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console legs, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, steering mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,